Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create questionnaire on Google Forms. So for that you need to open up your browser and then make sure that you have logged into your Gmail account, and after that you need to just click on this option of apps here and just scroll down to the very end, and you will find this option of forms over here. Just click on it, and after it opens up you just have to click on blank option and just click on it, and this is how it will appear. And after that you can choose the type of questionnaire that you are looking to be made, and here you can select short answer type, paragraph type, check boxes when the multiple answers are there for one question. You can also check for multiple choice questions, so just choose it as per your requirements. After that you need to just type in the questions over here, and let's name this questionnaire first. And you can also add description to this particular test, and after that you can type the question, and here we can add multiple answers to it, like blue, add another, so we can add another option over here. And you can also add specific images to it if it is for younger kids out there. And right after that just click on this option of remove, and this way it will appear like this. And also go to the settings. If you want to make it a quiz type, then you can just turn it on, and then you will be able to see more settings over here related to your questionnaire, and just choose them as per your requirements. And after that just go back to questions again, and here you will be able to see this option of answer key. Then just click on it and set the correct answer to it. You can also reward some points if someone gets it correct. So then after that just click on this done option, and you also have this option to add feedback to a particular question, like why this particular answer is right and why others are not right. Just add it and click on done after that, and this way you will be able to create a full-fledged questionnaire as per your needs and requirements. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.